Okay, got lock number 3 here. Bottom of the keyway. Make sure it's not binding. My Peterson gem and 18 thousandths. There, that one opened right up. That one wasn't too bad. Now, let's, since that was so quick, go ahead and try number 4. And see, already there is a difference there, because this one hasn't picked yet, and that other one, what did it take, 20 seconds? Not really sure, not really timing it and paying attention. Keep giving you guys vertigo. And there we go, have that one open. That one took a little bit longer, so just because they are keyed different or keyed alike, my bad, doesn't mean they pick the same. Thanks for watching. I'll dig out my comb picks and do some combs, try to see if they'll comb pick a little later. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like if you don't mind. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell, let you know when I release another video, which, yeah, with my crazy work schedule, who knows, I don't have any. It's just whenever I have the opportunity. And pass the word. Thanks a lot. Catch y'all in the next video.